What's up, you guys? Welcome to today's lesson. So in the previous two lessons, we've spoke about why replacement behaviors are a good idea. So now I want you guys to take some time and start to create your own replacement behaviors. These are going to be different for everyone, but I always recommend that the first thing should be to get out of that environment ASAP. Okay? From there, it's on you. But just remember that it's going to take about 30 minutes for that burst of chemicals to clear, and you'll be able to get back to whatever it was that you were doing. So maybe you want to do a certain number of push-ups, or instead of walking around the block, maybe you want to run around the block a few times. Okay? Maybe you want to go to a cafe and do your work from there. I doubt you're going to jerk off while you're sitting on the Starbucks couch. So I could be wrong though. But just being around people is a good idea. As long as you don't get too far into your own head and start thinking that everyone around you starts to know that you want to jerk off. You know, that used to be me. I felt like everyone knew what I was thinking, and I would just be awkward. You know, I'd avoid people and I wouldn't make eye contact with the barista, and it was crazy. But I know a lot of guys who like to use the rubber band method. All right, the rubber band method is when you have a rubber band on your wrist, you take it off, you put it on the other wrist, and then you snap it really hard, okay? And every time you feel triggered, you take it off that wrist, put it back on, snap it, and it hurts like hell, all right? There's actual science behind the act of moving it from one wrist to the other side, and it helps on all kinds of different levels as we're bringing this behavior change we're trying to create, all right? Or maybe you want to call someone who could become your accountability partner, you know, maybe your best friend, maybe your mentor or coach. I can tell you guys that having a team of people, or even just one person that you can talk to about this, is a huge bonus compared with trying to do this all alone. And we already know how that is. You can even let me know if you're interested in joining a free group where we can help keep each other accountable. I don't know if you guys know a lot about AA, but they have sponsors, you know, people who have walked the path before, and they're able to listen and respond appropriately when needed. They have meetings, they have accountability systems in place, because it's that important that they get this, okay? It's that important that they change their behaviors. If it's important to you, you know, to become a father one day, if it's important to you to have sex again someday with your own erections, no pills, if it's important to you to figure this area out, then let's use all the resources we have available to us. This can be the game changer, you guys, because right now, a lot of you guys tell me that you don't have anyone to talk about this with. So let's get in touch. And if you want to be part of my community, you don't have to say anything ever, or in the beginning, you don't have to ever say anything. You don't need any special powers or special skills to listen. And you'd actually be surprised at the friendships that you can create by going through this stuff together, even if you've never met in person. So breathe, you guys. That was heavy. All right, you guys, take the rest of this time, and I want you to do the root focus. I will talk with you guys very soon. Much love.